This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get more visitors to your website by using social media. So let's get straight into it. As you can see here, I've got my Twitter page for Black Brick Training, Facebook, YouTube, we've got our Udemy page, we've got our Google Plus page, and we've got finally our website. Now as you can see on every single one of these, on Twitter you can see we've got blackbrick.institute, which takes you straight to our courses on Udemy, and then we've got our website URL just here, so you can click that, open in a new tab, and it'll take you straight to our website just like this. My internet's a bit slow sometimes for some reason, but here we go, it takes you straight to it. And then we've got our Facebook page, which also links to it. I think you have to actually be logged in as a user to see it, because I can't actually see it. I don't think, oh wait, no, sorry, yeah, the link's just here on the about page, on the about section just here. So once again, if you click that, it will go to our website. And we also do regular posts on every single one of these. As you can see, that we have this complete website redesign coming very soon, and then that link takes you to our website like this, just like so. Once again, a link to our website, and then the same post is on our Facebook page, and then on YouTube, in the link in the description of in the about page for our channel, we have the links to our the main link to our website, we have the link to our Twitter page, and we also have the link to the free coupons page on our website, just like so. And as you can see, that all loads in just there. That's just blackbricktraining.co.uk/free-courses, which is absolutely fantastic. And then in the description of every single video, if I just click on this, we have a complete description of our brand. We have the URL of our website here at the top and also at the bottom, so you can see that 100% for sure. And yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. We haven't actually got the HTTPS, so I think that's not actually a link, it's just a URL that you'll have to copy and paste. But not to worry, we can sort that out very soon by putting HTTP in it, no problem there. We've also got our Google Plus page, which we haven't actually done any posts on, but we will be doing every single post we do on Twitter and Facebook onto our Google Plus page as well very soon. We also have our Instagram page that we do the same with, but obviously you can't see that, that's on my phone. It is on the website as well, but I've got a problem with the Instagram website at the moment, so I can't actually go on Instagram, which is a bit weird and strange and annoying, but no worries. And finally, I'm just going to show you a little website called buffer.com. Now with this is how we post to all of them at the same time without having to copy and paste the post and go over to Facebook and then Twitter, and then, you see what I mean? So it makes it a lot easier. So say I want to go currently recording a course, and then if I get rid of the Instagram, because obviously there's no image involved with this, and then click add to queue, that will post it probably sometime this afternoon on day of recording. Or I can choose to share now, share next, or schedule to whenever I want, as you can see with this date and time just here, which is absolutely fantastic. But I'm not going to post that as it's well, just random and rubbish, so there's no point doing that. But yeah, that just shows how easy that it is for us to post and how quick we can do that. Because it's so simple and so easy. Why not? Because social media is so useful. Because if I type Black Brick Training into Google, as you can see, first of all we have Udemy, then we have Facebook, then we have our website, and then we have LinkedIn, which we never use, YouTube, and then there's a few random ones. We've got Black Brick Training courses, which is on the Udemy coupon website. We don't actually have our Twitter, I don't think. How about if I type Twitter? There we go, we've got our Twitter page at the top, that's ours, but that second one isn't ours, so that's a bit strange. I'm not sure why we aren't there, but not to worry. If I click this, it will take us to, let's see, let's just let that load, and as you can see, that takes us to something called Twitter posts. Okay, I wasn't actually aware of this, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm probably going to remove that because that's just random, but oh well. A little mistake I've done there, but not to worry. But yeah, the main part of this video is me just telling you all about Buffer, how to use it, and why we use it. So all you need to do is go to buffer.com, sign up, add all of your different accounts. You don't even need to pay. You only need to pay if you're doing like a load of more different pages, but all we've got is 4, and that's still free for us. Look, upgrade it to awesome. It's $10 a month, and you get 10 social media accounts, including Pinterest. You get some powerful post filtering. You get schedule 100 posts per social account. All of these different things, which is absolutely fantastic. I normally just schedule like 5 or 6 posts ahead. Not even that sometimes. Sometimes just 1 or 2 for the next day. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's quite easy and really easy to use. And it's absolutely free unless you want to use the extended plan. So yeah, that's awesome. Absolutely awesome. So once again, we have our Facebook, which is facebook.com/blackbricktraining. Our Udemy, which is udemy.com/user/blackbrick-training. Twitter, which is twitter.com/blackbricklearn. And finally, our Google Plus, which is plus.google.com/blackbricktraining. So yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. We use Buffer to share our posts for whenever we need and schedule them and things like that, which is absolutely awesome. And it's absolutely brilliant to use. So yeah, that's that. I've been Anthony. This is Black Brick Training. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.